Hello friends, welcome to my channel Academic Made Easy PC. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and also click the bell icon. In this video, we will be learning exercise 3.5 part 2. So, question 4. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solution by any algebraic method. So, here it is not mentioned that we have to do this method or that method, but only thing is mentioned over here, it is that algebraic method we have three types, isn't it? So substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. We cannot use graphical method. Okay, so algebraic method means only these three types is there, so we have to use only those three. So it is not that we have to use only cross multiplication method in this question. So now let us see the questions. Subdivision 2. A part of monthly hostel charge is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken the food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay 1000 rupees as hostel charges, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of the food per day. So now what is given here is that a part of monthly hostel charge is, so the hostel charge is equal to the fixed charge plus, and means what, plus the remaining depends on the food number of days on one has taken the food. Okay, so the hostel charge is equal to fixed charge plus the number of days one has taken the food. Okay, so this will be the equation. So now two statements are given for the two equations. So now let us read it one by one. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000. So the fixed charge plus for this 20 days, so much of amount, that is 1000 rupees. Okay, so let this be equation 1. So next student B who takes 26 days for food for 26 days pays 1180 as hostel charge. Okay, so 1180 is hostel charge and the fixed charge and this food charge also we will be just calculating. So now let the fixed charge be X and the cost of the food per day be Y. So now let us take this equation. Student A takes food 20 days to pay 1000. Okay, so now beginning itself they said hostel fees is equal to fixed charge plus the number of days food taken. No, so let me have X as fixed charge. Okay, so X plus, and how many days the student have taken? 20 days. So 20 cost per day is Y is equal to rupees 1000. So let this be equation 1. So now student B has taken 26 days food for 26 days and paid 1180. So my fixed charge plus 26 days for taking food is equal to rupees 1180. So let this be equation 2. So now I can just use any method. No, so see, the coefficient of X is same. So here I think using elimination method will be useful here. So let me do with the elimination method. So whatever is easy for you, you can go with that. If cross multiplication method is very easy for you all, you can just do it, or else you can do any method. It is not mentioned that we have to do with this method or that method. No, so it is just given that algebraic method. In algebraic method we have three types, so in that any one you can do. So since my coefficient of X is same over here, I will be just using elimination method. So by using elimination method. So my equation 1 implies x plus 20y is equal to 1000, and my equation 2 implies x plus 26y is equal to 1180. Now I will be subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So now in order to subtract, I will be changing the sign throughout. So plus will become minus and minus will become plus. Since everything is plus over here, everything will change to minus. So this part will get cancelled. And here 20y minus 26y is minus 6y is equal to 1000 minus 100 and 1180. It is minus 180. So therefore, y is equal to minus 180 by minus 6. So y is equal to minus and minus will get cancelled. So y is equal to 30. Now I will be substituting y value in any one of the equations. So now let me substitute in equation 1. Substitute y is equal to 30 in equation 1. So my equation 1 implies x plus 20y is equal to 1000. So x plus 20 into 30 is equal to 1000, and x plus 600 is equal to 1000. So x is equal to 400. So the value of x is 400. That is, the fixed charge is 400, and the cost per day for food, it is 30 rupees. So therefore I will conclude that the fixed charge equal to x is equal to rupees 400, and the cost of food per day is equal to y is equal to rupees 30. That's it. Subdivision 2. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 if 8 is added to the denominator. Find the fraction. So what is given here is that a fraction, that is x by y, becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator alone. Okay, and they are saying that x by y will become 1 by 4 if 8 is added to the denominator. So if we subtract 1 from the numerator, we get 1 by 3. If we add 8 to the denominator, we will get 1 by 4, it seems. So now solution. So we have already seen these types of sums in the previous exercise. So I think this will be easy for us to do it. So let x be the numerator of the given fraction of the given fraction and y be the denominator. So now for the given equations, there are two sets of statements. Now, so first set let me take. So my fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. So let me write x by y itself. So what is given? I have to subtract 1 from the numerator. So I will have x minus 1 by y. There is no change in denominator, which is equal to 1 by 3. So now I will be cross multiplying. So 3 into x minus 1 is equal to y. So 3x minus 3 is equal to y, and 3x 3x minus y is equal to 3. I took variables in one side and numbers in one side. So let this be equation 1. So next what they're saying is that the fraction becomes 1 by 4 if 8 is added to the denominator alone, and here there's no change in numerator. So x y. So here 8 is added to the denominator. So y plus 8 is equal to 1 by 4. So now I will cross multiply. So 4x is equal to y plus 8. And I will have my variables in one side. 4x minus y is equal to 8. So let this be equation 2. So now let us use cross multiplication method. So I will teach one sum in one method so that it will be easy for you all to recall it again. So now let me use by cross multiplication method. So now I will just write all the equations in standard form. So my first equation is 3x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 4x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. So now we will be just going for a circle, isn't it? Starting from B and ending to B itself. So I will be just starting from B. So B coefficient is minus 1 in both the equations. So minus 3, minus 8, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 1. So now I will be just crossing this. So next I will have x by is equal to y by is equal to 1 by. So x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Next c1 a2 minus c2 a1. a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is a formula. So now we'll just substitute it. So x divided by minus 1 minus 8 is plus 8. Minus into minus 3, it is plus 3. So y divided by minus 3 into 4 is minus 12 minus 8 into 3, it is minus 24 is equal to 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is minus 3 minus 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. So now, x divided by 8 minus 3, it is 5 is equal to y divided by minus 12, minus into minus is plus 24 is equal to 1 by minus 3, minus into minus is plus 4. So now x divided by 5 is equal to y by minus 12 plus 24, it is 12 is equal to 1 by 1. So now I will be just equating my x by 5 is equal to 1 and y by 12 is equal to 1. So x by 5 is equal to 1, which implies x is equal to 5. And y by 12 is equal to 1. This implies y is equal to 12. So therefore my x is numerator and y is denominator. So therefore the required, so now numerator x is equal to 5, denominator is equal to y is equal to 12. So therefore the required fraction is equal to x by y, that is 5 by 12. That's it. Subdivision 3. Yash scored 40 marks in the test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have been scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? So a person had written the test, so he scored 40 marks for the test, getting 3 marks for correct answer and losing 1 mark, that is minus 1 mark for each wrong answer. Okay, so the total mark is 40 after getting so much of mark, and for the wrong answer it has been deducted, so that he is getting 40 marks. So next they are saying that 4 marks had been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks had been deducted. Deducted means what? Reduced or subtracted for each incorrect answer. Then Yash would have scored 50 marks. Okay, so now there are two statements that is given. So seeing the question, don't be getting scared that it is such a big question and what shall I do with this question and all those. So this types of questions is very easy. Only thing that the way they ask is little different. So now solution. So since they are speaking about correct and incorrect answer, so let us have let x be the number of correct answers, or a right answer, whatever it is, right. So let y be the number of incorrect answer. Okay, so now let us start forming the equation. So 40 marks is total and getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. So 3 marks, no? So 3 marks for how many questions? We don't know. So the correct answer is x. So 3 into 30 is 3 into x minus deducted, no, so it means subtracted from that, getting that marks, subtracting the incorrect answers. So 1 mark is deducted for each wrong answer. So my wrong answer over here, it is y is equal to 40. So let this be equation 1. In the second case, what they are saying is that 4 marks have been awarded for correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer. So then if he would have scored 50 marks. So 4 marks for correct answer, it is x, minus 2 marks has been deducted. So minus 2y is equal to 50. So let this be equation 2. For this question, let me use substitution method. So by using substitution method, so let me take equation 1. So from equation 1, 3x minus y is equal to 40. This is equation 1. No, so let me have y alone. So I will be taking y this side. So 3x minus 40. So let this be equation 3. So now I will be substituting equation 3 in equation 2. Substitute y is equal to 3x minus 40, that is equation 3 in equation 2. So 4x minus 2y is equal to 50 and 4x minus 2 into 3x minus 40 is equal to 50. So 4x minus 6x minus 80 is equal to 50. Okay, so now 4x minus 6x, it is minus 2x minus 80 is equal to 50. So this will be actually minus into minus is plus, no? So this will be plus only. So minus 2x is equal to 50 minus 80. So minus 2x is equal to minus 30. So x is equal to minus and minus will get cancelled. So 30 by 2. So where x is equal to 15. So now I will be substituting value of x in equation 3. So I will have y is equal to 3x minus 14. No. So y is equal to 3 into 15 minus 40. Y is equal to 3 into 15, it is 45 minus 40. So y is equal to 5. So therefore value of x, that is for correct answers, it is number of questions for correct answer, it is 15. So here incorrect answers is 5. So number of correct answers is equal to x is equal to 15 and number of incorrect answers is equal to y is equal to 5. So therefore the total number of questions asked in test is equal to 15 plus 5, which is 20. That's it. Subdivision 4. Places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? So here it is given that places A and B are 100 km apart. Okay, so for example, just take, so let this point be A and let this point be B. Okay, so therefore the distance is 100 km. Okay, apart from on a highway. So now they are saying that one car starts from A, another car starts from B at same time. Okay, so if the cars travel in the same direction means what? If A is starting from here, it will be moving like this, hence B also in the same direction. So if B is moving in this direction, it means A is also moving in this direction, but they have not said in which direction. But the only information is that A and B are traveling in the same direction at different speeds. Speeds is different and they will meet after 5 hours. So next what they are saying is that if they travel towards each other, that is, in the first case it was like this is A, so this is B, so both are traveling in this direction, let us have. So in the next case what they are saying is that let this be A, B, and they both are traveling towards each other. Okay, so if they travel towards each other, they will meet in 1 hour. Within an hour they can meet, it seems. So what are the speeds of the two cars? So we have to find what is the speed of car A and car B. That is car which is starting from A and the car which is starting from the point B. So now let us move on to the solution. You're speaking only about speed. No, so we have to find the speed of the two cars only. So let the speed of the car starting from point A be x and point B be y. Okay, so the speed of the car which is starting from A is x and the point B is y. So now, so in the first case what they are saying is that they are starting at the same point and same time and same direction, hence they will be meeting after 5 hours. That is, whatever you do, just picturize and then do so according to the first case. So let me have a line saying that this point is A and this point is B. In the question, it is already given that the distance between A and B is 100 kilometer. So now the car is starting from A and B. So let me have that both the cars are traveling in this direction, that is from A to B there. So what will happen is that the car which is moving from B will be moving first, isn't it? So let me have this as, let me differentiate that with dotted lines. So let this distance be y. Okay, so the speed of the car be y. This is not the distance, this is the speed of the car which is starting from B is y. Okay, so now what I will do is that I will have this entire thing. So after 5 hours only it is meeting, no? So let this be that point C. So let the speed of that car be x. The car which is starting from A, no, let that be x, so that the speed of the car which is starting from B is y and speed of the car which is starting from A is x. So now what I will do is that the distance covered, we know the formula, distance is equal to speed into time, isn't it? So we have to find the speed only, so we need not to have distance. So what I will do is that what is the time which is given, that is 5 hours. Yes, so here my speed of the car is x and y for A and B respectively. So now I will be using this formula in order to find my equation. So see, let me have this as distance. Okay, so the total distance will be 100 kilometer plus y if I have y as distance. No. So this part plus this part gives the total distance covered by x. Yes. So what is the distance over here? The distance which I took is speed into time. So what is the speed? We don't know the speed, but the time we know. 5 hours. No. So 5 into x. Okay, this 5 into x is equal to this distance. So the whole distance is equal to this distance plus this. So this distance is 100 kilometer, we know, plus what is this one? This distance we don't know, but we know speed and time. So speed is y and time is 5. So 5y. So now let us have the variables in one side and numbers in one side. So 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. So if you just check this, everything is a multiple of 5. So therefore I will write x minus y is equal to 20. I am dividing throughout by 5 so that I will have x minus y is equal to 20. So let this be equation 1. So in the next case, what they are saying is that they are traveling towards each other if they meet at 1 hour. After 1 hour, they are meeting if they travel towards each other. So again, let me just draw the diagram. So this is A and this is B. So here it is given that 100 kilometer. Okay, so now what I will do is that let this point C be the meeting point. So here this is the distance. No, so my distance is equal to speed into time. So what is my speed of the car which is starting from A? It is x. And after how many hours they are meeting? 1 hour. So the coefficient of x will be 1. So even for this, the speed of the car which is starting from B is y and they are meeting after 1 hour. No, so let it be y itself. So now the total distance is 100 kilometer. No, so therefore I will say that x plus y is equal to 100. Let this be equation 2. So if you have any doubts in making the equation or forming the equation, just Mention it in the comment box. I will make one more video to make you very clear, or the same method I will teach you one more time. So now I will be using any one of the algebraic method in order to solve the given pair of linear equations. So now directly I will be using elimination method. Okay, so keeping the coefficient of x and y, I will be just directly doing it. So by using elimination method, so my equation 1 implies x minus y is equal to 20, and my equation 2 implies x plus y is equal to 100. So since here it is minus y and plus y, directly I'll just cancel this and find the answer. So I will be cancelling this term, so I will have 2x is equal to 120. So therefore x is equal to 120 divided by 2. So therefore my x is equal to 60. So now I will be substituting the value of x in any one of the equation. Let me substitute in equation 1 and find the value of y. So substitute x is equal to 60 in equation 1. So my equation 1 implies x minus y is equal to 20. So x is 60. No, so 60 minus 20. I'm just taking this side, and I am taking y this side. So y. So here I will have y is equal to 40. Okay, so therefore the speed of the car starting from the point A is 60 kilometer per hour, and the speed of the car starting from the point B is 40 kilometer per hour. That's it. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and also click the bell icon. If you have any doubts, mention it in the comment box.
Like, comment, share and subscribe.